Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Shimano 105 front derailleur. We'll cover everything you need to know for smooth, reliable shifting. First, gather your essential tools, including a 5mm hex wrench and cable cutters. Make sure your bike is securely mounted on a repair stand. This ensures stability and safety throughout the adjustment process. We'll start by understanding the basic components and their functions. Now, let's tackle cable tension and limit screws. Begin by shifting to the smallest chainring and releasing the cable tension at the derailleur clamp. Next, adjust the low limit screw, usually marked L, so the inner cage plate is just 1 to 2 millimeters from the chain. This prevents the chain from rubbing when you're in the smallest cog. Then, shift to the largest chainring and adjust the high limit screw, marked H, to prevent the chain from overshifting. With the limit screws set, it's time for fine-tuning. Reattach the cable, ensuring proper tension. Use the barrel adjuster on your shifter or frame to make small, precise adjustments to cable tension. Turn it clockwise to loosen, counterclockwise to tighten. Shift through all your front gears, checking for smooth, crisp transitions. If you experience any chain rub or hesitant shifts, make tiny adjustments to the barrel adjuster until shifting is perfect. If you're still experiencing issues, check for a bent derailleur hanger. This is a common culprit. Regular cleaning and lubrication of your drivetrain will significantly extend its life and maintain smooth shifting. Remember, small adjustments often yield the best results, so be patient. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you fueled on your rides. Happy riding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.